This is how old them G here? How old are G there? Who's back?
Yeah, my lord.
Who's back? Is this Randy and Denny? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? There's a problem.
Calm down.
Guess who's back? And the dogs are still there. Whoa. He's on himself, dog. Guess who's back? It's the real G. Respect all over, brother. Alright? Respect all over. Guess who's back? It's the real G. People. Yeah. This is Denny. He's the founder with me of Jamaica. See Jamaica. Let me look make you know, but you see the founder we have house for live or me and him did start the program where inspire thousands. And me and Denny did start it from 2005. So now I know the second half. Him never did crucify me when one of them did that try. See him there?
Alright, when the tree a shake, I mean no more left on the tree.
Okay.
Body will jump off. You understand? And this has stem I never pop off.
Tell them how we started.
Now we started with the black and yellow backpack.
Are you rich?
Eh?
Are you rich? Did you get much from people?
We get none from it, but
Okay. Did you see other people got a lot of stuff? Okay,
You
good.
can't watch that.
Alright. How come?
You can't watch that.
What you have for me? Pear, anything, what you have for me?
When the peer them no fit.
But when you, nothing, no lime, nothing, mint,
Alright.
nothing. See what you have for
You
me.
want mint?
Anything you have for me, love.
When you move?
29th. Alright, brother. People, the reason why some people get house is because of this man.
Same one.
Eh?
Same one.
See the humble little boy.
Same one.
The reason why Jamaica Good Life, because of him, and me and him. So when everybody attack, where's my house? Where's his house? So did we do it for God or did we do it for fame?
We not do it for fame.
Okay, so that, cause we not have nothing.
If we did that do it for fame, we'd that greedy.
Okay. See that, people? This is the foundation, you know. See it?
Love, man. That's what we
Ah, people, you see it? I'm finally back with Denny. Cause you know why, people? And the tree had only few left when we shake it. him never feel
never
me.
jump off.
Me shake the tree and enough of them.
But you know, so when you shake a tree and fruits drop off, right? A few are going to live on here and it's hard to see. You have to look good. Don't you?
The journey no normal.
Normal at all, man. You have to look
The
good.
journey no normal, people. And the dirty boy still there, so me still there. The test and the beating and the disgust and the kneels and everything. We are still here to what? Fight for Jamaica and make sure so them know this drive a country. See there? See the peg there? This we are fight for. When the whole on our talk on them out, this. Don't let the government mine our land. That's what this whole war is about, you know.
Yeah.
These pegs, where they position these pegs, they must not mine. If they mine past them, this way, we are in the top of the mountains we create the water. That's where we come from, people. This is what this whole program been about, to bring home the warriors to protect the peg them from the government. That's what.
See me protection here, and me I protect the pig there.
All right, people, we're going to cut off the camera from here. I'm not going to see this one. Yes, my G. Yes, my G. See it there? You rock the Jamaica Good Life shirt.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm not wear that shirt, and you must wear it with the under and wear it with the same thing you wear it with this, so.
You feel so?
Yeah, man, it have a...
It have a buzz.
So when the parties tonight down there?
Yeah, it have a buzz.
The parties tonight down there?
Yeah.
Late? So,
Them keep bingo party till late, man.
oh, it's a bingo party, so no me and you can't forward down there.
No, but you know no roll. We had to walk.
We no can call a car to come up here.
You can walk too. I don't believe you are going up, but you don't want to carry your back up. I just got up by problem, you know.
Ah, look how you see it, my brother. People, D, yo,
Man, than, you know.
yo, me see there. That shirt, yeah,
Yeah.
not really in a Jamaica like that.
No, in a Jamaica like that.
You see, G, in a really, Denny, are you at the foundation? It is not by coincidence. Put on the hoodie over it too. Denny, you see the man with humility, your founding father. And you not run down nothing.
No, I have to run down nothing. Everything will come, you know. It will come and a if and a but and a maybe. You understand? Yeah. You have to run down nothing.
Come on, say the world them know you, know.
No, everybody know me long time, man. I don't run down nothing. Stand back.
But look on the shirt in Norway when nobody know have like that. You don't feel the texture? You feel it?
Are good things, man.
Okay, you feel the quality.
Are good things.
A man look for me one time and he feel it and say, you know, say that it's not high enough quality. Me say, you see,
Wait.
at the meaning,
Sick.
at the meaning, brother, turn it round.
Sing the first body.
Remember, say them was not a model like you. Oi! Hey, more if you say something for me, say big up to Queen Cuisine.
Queen Cuisine.
Big arrow.
Big arrow.
Yeah.
You love her.
Queen Cuisine are the one who help me through.
You know what is cuisine? Cuisine are mostly food, you know.
She had the queen.
Yes. Cuisine like you as a Jamaican.
Queen Cuisine always wanted to see you modeling.
Modeling.
She said to me, why don't we just take a picture of Denny and we could just bring him to Vancouver and make him model. But no, look for you.
Yeah.
You have on your Prada hat.
Yeah.
And then you have on your
Good
Jamaica
Life.
Good Life
hoodie.
And take off the shirt. Show them the shirt now, Denny.
You want to see them the shirt?
Show them the shirt again.
You want to put enough yellow in a hit?
Ah, you take off the hoodie at the party, then you show them, say, yo, father, where you get that? When they say, daddy, where you get it? They say, hey, daddy.
It's a good thing this side, man, sir. The good thing.
Brother,
You're dancing about it, man.
are you wear the Good Life shirt?
Good thing.
Because you're the originator.
You do the road, man. You do the road. You have to have good things.
Eh?
Eh?
Denny, you know what, DG? I'm going to give you a Rasta belt for next minute. You have a Rasta belt?
When you get Rasta belt, you think Rasta belt is come by? You know, so inspire a foundation.
Take the Rasta belt there.
Rasta belt. And it's soft to man.
You mean the real thing, that, brother?
Brother.
Yes. You know.
No, Kevin.
Yeah, man.
Really, man?
Take that hat little.
Rasta belt.
The one they rear to the farm.
Rasta
Now,
belt.
remember, say me give you all of your Rasta thing, them, you know, brother?
Rasta belt.
You don't see it real? Ah, see it there. Yes, brother, you got that belt now.
What if it hang out, you know, if it hang out?
Do your thing. That one, yeah? Have a little farming top on the top.
Don't worry about it, man.
So then now you just deal with that.
Farmer. Pull on the key. Oh God, farming.
And then you can turn,
And you can't turn it back here too.
do that. Well, yes.
Yeah.
Step on the farm, new hat. And then now you have the new hat for the farm. Jamaica Good Life, see me? Found in the farm. And Nadine. They're on our way right now. And you know, it's at the beginning and it's not. See there? And then, you know, people with their foundation ground. So. What you say? How come are you? People seeing that. Boom. Seeing that. Life. So Denny need a new.
When you come to the business, yo,
Eh?
turn it into a franchise.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah.
Well,
Everything.
you know, say, see there from 2005. Look funny people, from 2005 we started this thing. And you know how much people get help. See the prince there? So it started with my Jamaica Good Life. How much people, some come and go,
Yeah.
some move fast, some move slow. But some never know that because of the youth here who own the camera in 2005, no people have house. Him, you,
Me.
you're a legend. You changed Jamaica.
Me.
You make a lot of people come back home. That's why you have that shirt there, you know.
Yeah.
You never seen nobody in Jamaica with that shirt there.
Nobody.
Nobody, you see. So,
One and only.
yes, brother.
That's why they go some man.
Original.
One, you know.
Real black Jamaican, no bleaching up on the skin, you say.
No, with the close up, man.
Where you see the girl, and the girl have to see your face. Make the girl them see.
You see me now.
Tell the girl them say, how them for forward.
How them for forward?
Yeah.
No forward, just come cross. Come cross the water and come along.
Yeah, so then there.
Yeah.
Ladies, him not married, so
Yeah, come along.
send a daughter for him, cause a farmer. And in these times, you're not gonna need a farmer.
Yeah.
And you need to. That is the prince in the family, so now, eh? Yeah, man, it's a nice goat. Yeah, man. Eh? Yeah, go set it up. See the people. This is legendary.
Man, I hit man.
Tell them.
I hit man.
So many come and go.
Still give thanks to the man. Give thanks to everything.
Mm-hmm.
Everything else of life, man. Everything.
Legendary. We started a movement. We changed the whole island. Whole world. Right over here, so we started. So yeah, we no stop. We never stop. We won't stop. We not drop. And we not flop. You see me? This is Jamaica Good Life with O'Neill, the driver. Yeah. Tell the world, Neely.
Straight to Norway.
Yes, tell them about Norway. Why Norway so special?
Good place.
What's special about it?
Good people, everything. Really, place I can live. Sleep in the same way.
Eh? But me, say up here, the gunman, they hide out.
That's why the gunman up here. I know about that. The trouble with trouble, but we don't know how to trouble. They run it. No, the gunman tree.
So, how old are you?
27.
And what's your goal in life?
To reach the maximum. I'm help people.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
So now, how you stay out of trouble?
Just work. Go work at the time and not keep my eye company and involved in no bad business. Straight.
Your job is a driver?
Yeah.
Okay, so how did you work plant jam and get the car?
No,
how did you do this? How did you accumulate the car?
That's where I start running a robot till the red plate.
Yeah? So you're red plate now?
Yeah.
What is the next step up off a red plate? A vaccine?
No, big guy that man, SpongeBob.
So that is the dream?
Yeah.
So if a man want to invest in a taxi and I remove a car?
No, we get a good driver, we conscious.
Okay. You see, so we link it in the next episode.
Morning.
So Neil have to jump out the back. And we guys have to go in at the back. You see why I did buy the bus?
Yeah.
You see
You
why?
have a bus here.
I'm saying.
You just sell it because you like it, look. So engine they big, it wind up the back end.
People.
Yeah, you're still not trouble, you know. Yeah, I'm going to go here. I'm not 2 women up the road to pick up one next lady I might go in.
So you had your passenger this morning?
Yeah?
You have your passenger?
No, man, I think I carry right through the week.
I'm not talking earlier.
Oh, understand, Doc. First, we pick up here.
So this whole journey, the taxi system is a planned system. So we need more buses around the community. Okay.
Earlier, I need to have
People, this is my community now. We'll buy a bus, you know, because the people that need me, I forgot to drive taxi around yesterday. The people that need more transportation, you see, right? What is a unity? It's a real unity. Even the taxi system is a unity. This is Jamaica Good Life. And this is how the country people work together in the car together. And then bring the people them to work. Lots of coordination. So they must have a big man in Star Bus. SpongeBob, you said? SpongeBob. Okay. So Monday morning. Hey guys, Randy, keep supporting Jamaica Good Life. This is the program that inspired so many, helped so many. We're going to keep the fuel up, we're going to keep the movement up, I want to keep showing Jamaica the good side of Jamaica. So move on to using a phone on a TV, project this video on your television, and scan that code. Keep the supporting. The next chapter for this channel, we're going to keep moving. We're going to St. Anne's, Trelawney. We need fuel for the journey. And St. Thomas, St. Mary. So we're going to keep showing Jamaica good life so that returning residents can go home and come home. And so we can help those along the way. Sometimes we promote businesses for free. And we see some people who need help, we give out them phone number so you guys can help them. So this program is from 2005. Keep supporting it. This program single-handedly started a lot of other programs. So we planted the seed, the fruits are blossoming, but the foundation, Jamaica Good Life, we must keep supporting this. I've spent a lot of money to do this. Give thanks to much of my supporters them. We did this together and we're changing Jamaica together. This is Randy Pottinger, Jamaica Good Life. One love.